Motorcycle southbound 65. Maybe stopping. Yeah, southbound speed 90. Facing across the east in the oncoming traffic lane. So southbound speed 90, passing Northbound. Northbound 8 counties away. That's bad.
Go forward, 19. 34, where you at?
Just southbound, just crossing an 8 county, speed's 110. His bike's smoking a lot, I don't know. Blacked out. Still southbound, speed's about 105 going into Western Road.
34 AM, single.
Temporary in oncoming traffic. Still southbound, speed's about 90. His bike's still smoking up a lot. I'm about to back off because I can't see very good. Still going into oncoming traffic, going around corners. I believe it's a male, blue helmet. Here, so you notified 3. And we're just crossing the Searcy County, speed's 85.
Hey, I'm going to try to set up in the middle spot here, get him to stop.
Typical. We are passing the church just at the end of the passing lanes when you first come into Searcy County.
10-4, I've got 2 guardrails on a narrow spot here. Ready, some of the pin off.
The hot list was updated.
Yeah, still southbound, he's still going into oncoming traffic around corners. Speed's about 80. We're passing the plane, speed's 90. He's got a U.S. Air Force sticker on the back of his motorcycle, but it's unlike. He's waving his hand at me, but still doing 90. Pull over, dude. You're not getting away. he's gonna wreck out. He's wrecked out. Show me your fucking hands, dude. Hands up, hands up. Roll over, roll over. On your stomach, on your stomach, on your stomach, on your stomach, now. Listen to me, on your stomach. Roll over on your stomach. Listen to what I'm telling you to do.
Ay, Dios mío, ¿por qué?
Roll over, dude. Roll over, dude.
Es que venía por mi carro.
Roll over, dude.
Ay, Dios mío.
Harrison, I got one
Dios
again.
santo, por favor.
Roll over, dude. On your stomach. On your stomach. On your stomach.
Señor, por favor, yo no malo.
Put on your stomach. Roll over. On your stomach.
Perdóneme.
On your stomach. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
Perdóneme, señor. Señor.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Perdóneme.
Behind your back.
Sí, sí, perdóneme.
Stop it.
Dios mío, Dios mío.
Shut up.
Yo solamente quería trabajar. Dios mío santo, perdóneme. Señor, perdóneme, por favor. Sí, 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 sí. Sí, sí, señor. Perdóneme. Perdóneme. Señor, perdóneme. Perdóneme. No, yo no tengo nada. No tengo nada. Venía por mi carro.
I don't know what you're saying. Be quiet.
Venía por mi carro.
Be quiet.
Sí, señor. Perdóneme.
Be quiet. Shush. Shush. Shut your mouth.
Sí, señor. Perdón. Dios mío, santo. No, no tengo nada. No tengo nada, señor. Perdóneme. No, mi celular.
I'm good, Nick. He's drunk.
Ay, Dios mío. No, por favor. Mi celular. Por favor, señor.
Be quiet.
Es que venía a arreglar mi carro.
Hush. Hush.
Sí, señor.
Hush. Hush.
Un poquito de marihuana. Pero venía por mi carro. Mi carro. Sí. Perdón.
Will you grab that for me? Yep. And put it in evidence bag so it goes away. I'll handle him.
Sí, señor.
Get up. Get up.
Perdón. Perdón.
Get up.
Por favor. Perdón.
Hush.
Venía por mi carro. Mi carro.
Spread your legs. Put the passenger forward? Yeah, if you will.
¿Me puedes soltar un poquito?
Get in the car. Come, get in the car.
Perdón. Yo me siento bien, sí. Perdón. Perdóname, señor. Ay, ay.
A little bit. I'll Yeah. around. I'll start working on 10-11. Okay. I'm going to... do you care? To handle this? Okay.
CFS comments added.
Next 10-11. Zero Honda 9.
CFS comments added.